Okay student, this is the second part of straight lines. Today I am going to explain some problems based on slope of a straight line. Yesterday I started the concept of slope. You want to find slope of a line, we need two things now. Either its inclination or any 2 points on that line. If you know its inclination, for example theta is inclination, then tan theta is taken as its slope. Okay. Or if 2 points are given on the line, say x1 y1 and x2 y2, these two are two fixed points on that line. So you can find its slope by using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, using this or this you can find the slope of a straight line. Slope of a straight line is constant. Okay, that's why take any 2 points on the straight, anywhere. Y coordinate difference divided by x coordinate difference always constant. That constant only is taken as the slope of the straight line. Okay, here we have some problems. So here today's first problem, this one. Yeah, find the value of y if the line joining the point 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the line joining the point minus 1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Two parallel lines are given here. Okay, one line is passing through point minus 1 comma 4, 0 comma 6. Another line is passing through the point 3 comma 4, 3 comma y, that one, sorry, 3 comma y and 2 comma 7. So what is given? These two are parallel lines. Already you know that if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So this is K line, this is L line. Given K is parallel to L. What is the meaning of that? Slope of K equal to slope of L. Okay, how to find slope of K? See, 2 points are given. 7 minus y, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to 6 minus 4 by 0 of minus half minus 1. 7 minus y by minus 1 is equal to 2 by 1, or 7 minus y equal to minus 2, or 7 plus 2 equal to y, therefore y equal to 9, the required y value equal to 9. Okay, Nana? Means that if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal and vice versa. Okay, next to objective type questions, JEE main model problems, single answer type questions. First question, inclination of vertical line. Vertical line inclination is 90 degree. Slope is not defined. What is he asking here? Only inclination. Don't confuse. So what I can say? Pi by 2. Shouldn't directly 1 after 4 because 2-3 problems belongs to straight lines concept. That concept not yet started. The inclination of a line having slope this. So what is given? Tan theta equal to minus 1 by root 3. Then theta equal to question mark. So actually 1 by 3 means what? 1 by root 3 means 30 degree. No? So 180 minus 30 degree. What I can say? Tan of 180 minus 30. What is this? Minus tan 30 only. No? Minus 1 by root 3 only. No? What is the meaning of that? 180 minus 30 is the required inclination. That is 150. Theta equal to 150. But answers are given in radians. We need to convert in radians. Pi by 180. Okay, 0, 0. Yeah. 3 5s are 3 6s are 5 pi by 6. So second is the answer for that. Okay, next problem. Yeah, interesting problem. Fifth one, a comma 0, 0 comma b and 1 comma 1 are collinear. The 3 are more than 3 points lying on the same straight line, they are said to be collinear. Already I explained this concept, checking for collinearity. First method is by using distance formula. Second one is area concept. Third is slope concept. For example, A, B, C are 3 distinct points. If slope of AB equal to slope of BC, then directly I can say that A comma B comma C are collinear. Two parallel lines are given, their slopes are equal. For example, this is AB straight line, this is CD straight line. So if these two are parallel, I can say AB slope equal to CD. But what is the in diagram? These two are two distinct parallel lines. No common point between these two. All are different. Every point on this line and every point on this, no intersection between them. But here AB line and BC line, see B is common, no. That's why slope of AB equals slope of BC means directly I can say that A comma B comma C are collinear, or slope of AB equals slope of AC also. So by using slope concept, you can check the collinearity of the given points. Clearly here given these three are collinear. Assume that this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Okay. So collinear, that is what I can say, that is slope of AB equal to slope of BC, or slope of AC also, anything you can write. Slope of A means y2 minus y1, b minus 0 by 0 minus A should be equal to 1 minus b by 1 minus 0. So b by minus A should be equal to minus b, or b equal to AB. Okay. b minus 0, I want cross check A comma 0, 0 comma A, 1 comma 1. B minus 0 by 0 minus A, okay. 1 minus b by 1, okay. So here 1 minus b, I forgot to write that 1, okay. Yeah, cross multiplication, b equal to minus A plus AB, or A plus B equal to AB, or A plus B by AB equal to 1, or A by AB plus B by AB equal to 1, or A get cancelled, 1 by B plus 1 by A equal to 1. Finally, what I can say, 1 by A plus 1 by B value is equal to 1, fourth option. Okay. Okay, students. Yeah, our next question, sixth question, Nana. The image of 2 comma 3 with respect to y-axis. First of all, I want to explain how to find image of the points. For example, 2 comma 3 in first coordinate. First of all, I want to explain what the meaning of image. For example, P given. Don't take coordinates, just you take P. I will explain. Okay. P given. We want to find the image of P with respect to y-axis. How to find? What is the procedure? From P, draw perpendicular on y-axis. Let M is the foot of the perpendicular. Produce PM to N so that Mn length equal to MP length. Then this N is called image of P with respect to this line. Any line, not only y-axis, any line. This is the procedure. Especially I can say N is the image of P with respect to y-axis. What is the meaning here? MP length equal to NM length means this point is how much distance from y-axis, the same as the N also distance from the y-axis. Okay. Now what is given here? This is 2 comma 3 given. Automatically this is becomes minus 2 comma 3. Obviously. So see what is the distance here? 3 units. This should be 3 only. Okay. What is this? 2 units. What is this? 2 units only, but left hand side of y-axis should write minus. That's why if x comma y given, what is the image of x comma y with respect to y-axis means you can say minus x comma y. Minus x comma y. Okay. Understood? That's why 2 comma 3 image with respect to y-axis minus 2 comma 3. Okay, students. You want I can write here also. 1 minute. I will write. Note. Image of, sorry, something wrong. Image of x comma y with respect to y-axis is minus x comma y. Okay, so for example here the point is given, what is the 2 comma minus 7. Okay, but what is the image means minus 2 comma minus 7 I can say, minus 2 comma minus 7. Same, only in front of x its symbol will change. Okay, Ranana. Sometimes you want to find image of the same P with respect to x axis. Here you will get. So this is K, say this is L, PL equal to KL. Distance is same. This distance, T means this also 3. That's why what I can say, this is 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. That I will write. Image of x comma y with respect to x axis is x comma minus y. Okay, leave it. Yeah, what is question? Sixth question. The image of 2 comma with respect to y axis collinear with this. Okay. let P is the image of 2 comma 3. Then P is equal to what, Nana? Here minus 2 comma 3. Okay, what is given? Minus 2 comma 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 4 comma lambda are collinear. Means what happened? For example, this point is taken as A, this point is taken as, already is taken as P, no? Okay, this point is taken as Q, this point is taken as R. P comma Q comma are collinear. What is the meaning of that? Slope of PQ equals slope of QR. Slope of PQ equal to slope of QR. How to find slope of PQ? This is taken as x1 y1, this is taken as x2 y2, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 minus of minus equal to lambda plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1. That is equal to minus 4 by 1 equal to lambda plus 1 by minus 3. Cross multiplication, 12 equal to lambda plus 1, 12 equal to lambda plus 1, lambda equal to 11. The required value of lambda is 11. So I can say 3 is the correct answer for that. Okay, students. So I can't explain this problem now in this stage because straight line concept not yet started. Okay, 8th problem I can say that the medians AD BD of a triangle with vertices are mutually perpendicular, then we want to find the relation. I can explain that problem. Students should take care. 7th problem now I can't explain. Okay, how to find slope of a straight line not yet started, different forms, no? Okay, 8th question, a triangle is given on here. ABC is a triangle. A is given as 0 comma B, B is 0 comma 0, this is A comma 0. Okay, the medians AD and BE of the triangle are mutually perpendicular. This median, this is median, one median. D is the midpoint of BD. So BE is another median. Means what the meaning of that? This is the E is the midpoint of AC. So AD and BD are perpendicular means what the meaning of that? Slope of AD and slope of AD into slope of B should be equal to minus 1 only. Okay, already concept completed. Product of slopes of two perpendicular lines equal to minus 1 with one condition, any one of them is not parallel to any one of the axes. Just you want to find slope of AD means you want to find coordinates of D first. D is equal to A by 2 comma 0, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, midpoint. So E is the midpoint of AC, that is 0 plus A by 2, A by 2, B plus 0 by 2, B by 2. So I got D and E. Now I want to find slope of AD. Okay, I will write clearly here. Students listen. This is A 0 comma B nana. This is D, what I got? A by 2 comma 0. Now I want to write slope of AD. y2 minus y1 0 minus b by a by 2 minus 0, that is equal to minus 2b by a. This is the slope of AD. Okay, next slope of BE I want. BE. Okay, B is 0 comma 0 only, no? B is 0 comma 0. Just now you got a by 2 comma a by b by 2. Okay, slope of BE I want. Slope of BE equal to b by 2 minus 0 by a by 2 minus 0, that is equal to b by a. Okay, given AD perpendicular to BE. Slope of AD into slope of BE equal to minus 1. Okay, what is slope of AD here? Slope of AD minus 2b by a. Minus 2b by a. So, minus 2b by a into b by a equal to minus 1. So, what happened? This minus get cancelled. 2b square equal to a square. This is the relation between a and b. 2b square equal to a square, and make b and a as subjects. So 2b square equal to a means what is the meaning of this? Yeah, root 2b equal to a. If a and b are treated as positive, then you can say the root 2b equal to a or a equal to root 2b, I can use option B. Okay, this is not multi-type question, no? So you have to assume that a and b are positive. You can write a comma b are positive. Next question, 9th question. The inclination of the line joining the points through 2 comma 1 and 0 comma something. 2 points are given here on a line. One of them is 2 comma 1. Okay, another one is again 0 comma 1 minus 2 root 3. Say this is A, this is B. We want to find its inclination. Directly you can't find inclination. First of all, you want to find its slope. By using slope, you can find its inclination. Slope of AB equal to y2 1 minus 2 root 3 minus 1 by 0 minus 2. That is equal to minus 2 root 3 by minus 2. That is equal to root 3. So slope denoted by tan theta equal to root 3. Why I am saying tan theta? If theta is assumed as inclination of this line, then automatically tan theta is slope. Tan theta equal to root 3, then theta equal to 60 degree, or I can say pi by 3 radians. So pi by 3, this is correct answer. Okay, so next concept is important concept. Different forms of a straight line. Different forms of a straight line. What are the meaning of this? And in other words, I can say different locus equation of straight line. For example, this is coordinate plane. This is one straight line. This is another straight line. This is another straight line. Okay, so I can say this is another straight line. You can try infinitely many different types of straight lines. Now we want to find what is the locus equation of this straight line. This straight line is parallel to x-axis. What is the locus equation? Means what is the common rule followed by all those points should find. That is called locus equation. We want to find this vertical line locus equation. This parallel to y-axis. We want to find locus equation of this straight line which is passes through origin. So you want to find locus of this straight line which is not passes through origin, not parallel to any one of the axes. How to find locus equation of such straight line on the coordinate plane? So now we want to divide into categories. Students, listen. First of all, this is y-axis. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Okay, now I am classifying into types. Horizontal line. One horizontal line. First type is horizontal line. Second type is vertical line. Second type is vertical line. I can say vertical line. Second is vertical line. Okay, next third type is the lines which are passes through origin, center. That is I can treat as third type in general. Okay, another one is the lines which are not passes through origin. The lines which are not passes through origin. Just this is the line. That is fourth category. Now I divided generally on the straight lines on the coordinate plane into four. Horizontal line, vertical line, the line passing through origin, okay, the line does not pass through origin, So what is the locus equation of all these lines? There are infinitely many horizontal lines. Now what is the locus equation of all those straight lines? Similarly, there are infinitely many vertical lines. What is the common rule followed by all the vertical lines? There are infinitely many lines that you can draw which is passes through origin. What is the locus equation of all such lines? After that, we can draw infinitely many lines, I can say, which are neither passes through origin. Okay, you can draw infinitely many lines which are not passes through origin. We want to find what is the locus equation of such lines. Okay, one by one I will explain. Students, listen. First of all, horizontal lines. Okay. Okay, students, listen. First of all, horizontal line. This this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, draw one of the horizontal line. So this is one of the horizontal line. I want to give the name for this. So my assumption is this length is k, for example. Automatically this point is become 0 comma k only, nana. So this point becomes 1 comma k, this is 2 comma k, like that. So what is the common rule followed all the ordered pairs means y, it's y coordinate is y, k remaining all are changing, x is changing, no? Let one of point on, say the line L, nana. Another point on L be x comma y. Now what is the common rule followed by all the points that should be expressible in small x and small y, that is called locus equation. What is the common rule followed by all that point means it's y equal to k, y component is equal to k. I will write the common rule followed by all points on L is, what is the common rule? I can say y equal to k. So this y equal to k is said to be the locus equation of the straight line. What is the meaning of that? Y equal to k is a horizontal line which is parallel to x axis and k units from x axis. That is important thing. Okay, note. So y is equal to minus k. This is also line, horizontal line only. That is a horizontal line. That is also parallel to x axis only. Okay, that is also parallel line. That is also horizontal line only. But that also k units from x axis only. But what is that? That line is below the x axis. That negative symbol saying that line should be below the x axis. For example, this point is automatic 0 comma minus k, nana. This is 1 comma minus k, so on. That's why y equal to k is a straight line parallel to x axis and k units from x axis and above x axis. K equal to minus k, y equal to minus k, also another straight line parallel to x axis, k units from x axis, below x axis. Okay, that I will write. Okay, so finally what is the conclusion of y equal to k is the locus equation of horizontal line parallel to x axis. Don't confuse. X axis means y will get y equal to k. Okay, yeah, I will write. Conclusion I will write here. The locus equation of horizontal line should be y equal to k. One thing, if k is greater than 0, the line is above the x axis. Number 2, if k less than 0, then the line is below the x axis. Okay, third one, important one, if k equal to 0, what happened? K equal to 0, the line coincide with the x axis. The line coincide with the x axis. What is the meaning of that? What is the equation of x axis? I can say y equal to 0. That is equation of x axis is y equal to 0. Now onward, small y equal to 0 is equation of x axis. Every point on x axis will satisfy this algebraic rule. Okay, next one is vertical line. So just I want to write clearly everything I explained now. This is y axis, this is x axis, this is one of the vertical line. For example, assume that this distance is equal to some, say, k. So this is origin, 0 comma 0. What I can say, this point is k comma 0, this point is k comma 1, this point is k comma 2, because fixed line, this one. If this line is k units on y-axis, every point on the line should satisfy k comma something, k comma another real number, k comma 1, k comma 2, k comma 3. What the common rule followed by all the points? X equal to k, x equal to k. So x equal to k is the locus equation of vertical line. Vertical line. If k is positive, the line is right hand side of the y-axis. If k negative, the line is left hand side of the y-axis. K equal 0, the line coincides with the y-axis. So I can say that x equal 0 is the equation of y-axis. Okay, I will write that. Wait. Vertical line. Okay, directly I want to write the locus equation of vertical line on coordinate plane is vertical line x equal to k. Okay, first one, if k greater than 0, then the line is right hand side of, right side I will write, right hand side of y-axis. Number 2, if k lesser than 0, then the line is left side I will write, actually left hand side should write, left side of y-axis. Okay, if k equal to 0, what happens? That is interesting thing. I will write third one as third one. If k equal to 0, then the line coincide with the y-axis. That is equation of y-axis is small x equal to 0. Okay, so horizontal line is completed and a vertical line is completed. So another one is the lines which are passes through origin. That is important. Third one, the line passing through origin. So the line passing, there are infinitely many lines which are passing through origin. We want to find what is the locus equation of all such lines, or what is the common property followed by all the lines on the coordinate plane. Okay, students, listen now here. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. One of the line is this which is passing through origin. Let it be named BL. Listen, student, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is origin whose coordinates are 0, 0. Indirectly, I can say that 0, 0 is a point on L. Any line passes through origin, automatically 0, 0 will be a point on that line. Okay. So do one thing, students. You want to find slope of L. What is required now? It's inclination. Okay. Or any 2 points on that line. Already one point is there, 0, 0. It is better to identify another point to find the slope of the line. Okay. Yeah. What I can say, actually this is called slope form of a line. Slope form of a line. Okay, what the meaning of that means? Slope of the line is given and another information is given, that line is passing through origin. What is the locus equation? Two things are given here. Slope is given and the line passing through origin. By using those two informations, you want to find the equation of L, or locus equation of L. Okay. Yeah. Given that slope of L is m and it is passing through origin or 0, 0. Now I want to find its equation. So students, to find the slope of the line, we need one more point now. Let a variable point I want to take somewhere here or here, somewhere. Let p x comma y is a variable point. I will write that. Let p x comma y be a point on L, variable point. Okay, no suffixes, no, just x comma. So by using these 2 points I can find slope, no? That is become the slope of L. So slope of L equal to y minus 0 by x minus 0. See, this is acting just like x1 y1, this is acting x2 y2. 2 points are there, I can find slope. Slope already given as m, no? M equal to y by x. Or in other words, what I can say, y equal to mx. All the lines which are passes through origin having slope should have this form only. That's why y equal to mx form is said to be slope form of a straight line. For example, y equal to 2x is given. No? What I can say, this straight line will always passes through origin. See, 0, 0 satisfy. No? Put x equal 0 and y equal 0 satisfies. No? So this line passes through origin and having slope 2. So every line passes through origin having slope m should have the form y equal to mx. So y equal to mx is treated as the slope form of a straight line. First horizontal line and vertical line, and now the line which is passing through origin and having slope m, that should have the form y equal to mx. Now what I can say, always y equal to mx is a straight line which is passes through origin. Okay, having slope m. Sometime they will ask y equal to root 3x. What is the slope of the straight line? Simply you can say that slope is root 3. This is in the form y equal to mx only. No? M stands for slope. That's why root 3 is called slope. Sometimes they will ask what is the inclination of this line. Slope is root 3. No, means tan theta is root 3 only. No, theta is 60 degree only. What is the meaning of that? Its inclination is 60 degree. Okay, in this way you can find its inclination and slope. So this is the third form called slope form of a straight line. So final discussion, students. Y equal to mx is said to be the slope form of a straight line. Or in other words, you can say that a line which is passes through origin having slope m. One example problem on this. Find the equation of a line having slope 1 by 2 and passing through origin. Students, the line having slope of and passing origin, that is unique line on the coordinate plane. Unique line, only one line. This is one of the line. The inclination is tangents of 1 by 2 and passing through origin. Okay. So now I want to find locus equation. Slope is given, point is given, directly can find. The required equation is of the form what? No, y equal to mx only. No? So y equal to m means what? Half into x, or 2y equal to x, or x minus 2y equal to 0. This is the required straight line. So what is happened today, Nana? So I explained locus equation of a straight line. That too in 3. One is horizontal, vertical, and the line which is passing through origin having slope m. 3 completed. Okay.